Guys, welcome to the Shahzada channel. Today we will see how to change the battery for Infinix Hot 8. So this mobile is from Hong Kong and it's called Infinix Hot 8, and we will be fixing the battery. As you see, this is bulge up. This is like have become very heavy because of the heat, so we will be changing. If you see the real original battery, it will be so slim, but this has gone for a toss. All right, let's start the process. Have the screws. Okay, one. I've removed these two already, so remove this one. And while I'm doing this, I'm hearing to Quran. So if you hear something in the background, that's the Quran recitation, which is very peaceful. So before we start any work, usually I say Bismillah, means in the name of Allah, and that's how everything goes well. Alright, now we have removed this finally. Make sure you keep it somewhere safe. Next you'll pull up this. You see? Let's see. Or rather, first pull up this. Okay? Keep it inside. You'll find another screw here inside, which is the major mistake from most of us. We'll try to pull up and it breaks up. If you like the video, share, subscribe, and like, and press the bell icon. I'm new here and I want you to support so that I can do something which you like. Okay, so we'll take a small blade and we'll try to just rip it up slowly. Alright, there is a sticker over here. See, we do all this so that we can remove this, right? So there is a sticker over here. Let's keep this safe so that we can fix it back. And we'll try to open the locks first. Or rather, instead of opening full, can just remove this from here. Why simply open the full, right? Do this, and now it's time for the battery. You need to just first see, this has come out, right? This is the reason we open the screws. Not sure if we should open this also. It's better you avoid it. Okay, let's continue. Now these stickers, you know, some people try to place new stickers, but let's try to put the battery in the same sticker, right? Let's pull it and keep it like this. Now what you can do is safely remove the battery. Don't touch the plates inside. There are golden plates. Now what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to keep the sticker on. Okay, First, let's release the battery from all the sides. Okay, seems fine now. All right, now there might be a battery damage if you're removing the old one, because if you want to retain this sticker inside, you might have to use some tweezers and pull it out. All right, if you want to just you can just roll the stickers like this. All right, it will come out, but I want to use the same sticker, that's why I have used tweezers, and this has come out. You see, I might be using the same gum, that's why. So once this is out, you can just take this and cut this out. All right, so now this I will put it over. Maybe you can remove this. Or maybe it's okay, we can just fix it over this one. Okay, it's a messy thing once you do this. Now we have the new battery. We'll fix this way. Once fixed, nothing can happen. So let's test first. We can test. Let's try out and test. Be careful so that you don't pull up this string out. It's a very tricky thing. So I'm being careful. Maybe it takes time, but just be a little careful. Okay. So this pin and this pin, just see once. Seems same. Yep. Yes, it's fixed, guys. It's fixed. Let's try to see if it works. Lovely. See you there. There you go. It works. So it's easy to fix the battery. Now let's put it back. Let's turn this off. Okay. All right. This could be tricky. Or wait. Let's see if it gets on. All right. Let's wait for the OS to be back. Don't forget to share, subscribe, like, and make this channel. There you go, it's working. So let's try this. Let's switch it off and then put it back, okay, just in case. We don't want to do crazy things, right? Let's power off. Power is off. I could just feel the vibration of the power which went off. Now let's remove this first. Okay, let's get in this position and place it from this side. Clear all the waste. I used blade and that blade's particles have fallen in this, as you see. See, there's a magnet all over here. All right, so it is. So we don't need double-sided tape because there is already, I can feel that. Okay, or let's put this way. Yeah, I'm not sure if we should remove this cover. Most probably not, because this is fixed. Let's check on this battery. Oh, this is naked. Let's try to fix in the same manner, okay, with this. Oh no, this is fine. Don't tend to remove the yellow cover. And make sure you press it properly and you check the cell phone. The only problem is this is not in its position when we are trying to fix this. This could be a little tricky, guys and girls. See, we fixed it. There was something which I'm gonna make sure that it's fixed. Alright, there we have fixed the battery. Now let's get back the cover. All set, just check if there is no other thing which is left out. And let's put back the screws one by one. Place the screws. I like to place it like this actually. I don't prefer this one, but let's try that as well, so that anyone who is knows, I would prefer to put it through my hand. Okay, right, let's just tighten some of these and then let's go with other screws. Okay, all right, now let's try to switch it on so that we don't have to open again if it doesn't get on. Let's see. Successful. I know this feels a lot happy for people who don't want to, put extra money on a phone repair guy, and there are so many people who cannot afford it, right? So this is the video to help you with that. All right, so we have almost finished tightening the screws. No, folks, one thing, almost all these cell phones have the same structure of fixing fixing a cell battery. All right, relax. So any cell phone you have, just try out. uh, first check if the screws are all being you trying to open is unscrewing. All right, sometimes the screw is will not open and you might have to go to a mechanic. First try all the screws. If you are able to loosen it, all right, unscrew it, and then order a battery or something, or buy a battery. Okay, so this is done. I would not force the screws much. All right, this is a little bit loose. See, just this much. Do not try to force the screws much, because in future you might have difficulty in opening. So just don't forget to put the screw as well, and then fix this carefully. This is the sensor. All right, this is done. My phone is working as normal, and we can now put back the cap. So to open this cap, All you have to do is just put a small or you can use this backside of a blade and just unlock these. You see these locks. You have locks over here, here, two locks, and two locks over this side. Just unscrew that. And alright, before putting this back cover, make sure you have this open. Alright, remove this out, both when removing and while putting back the cover. You have to do that. Let's fix this. See, these locks which you see, you can just open it as is. Alright, it's locked. So when you remove it, just use, or you can use this side as well. Okay, there's lock. See, if you see this, I'll just show you clearly. Wait, this side. Alright, so you will see this locks. Alright, now we have our cell phone up and running. This is how you need to fix your battery. Alright, if again, I'll like to mention, please subscribe, share, like, and get more videos which will be helpful for you. Right, thank you so much for watching. I couldn't stop the video. Fine. Bye guys, take care.